Masayang Pasko ning pamanyubling mebye kay kongan.
Masayang Pasko ning pamanyubling mebye po among.
Mumuna po sigurong dili, yapining kutang tamo king kakatamong sarili. Talaga bang kumbinsido tamo king sasabyanan ning dalita pakibat? Ing dalita pakibat sasabyana po, ing yatu mitmuya king ganaka ning Ginoo. Po. Easter is about the recognition of the goodness of God in spite of the many hardships. Po. Gang dakal pigagap, dakal kagut-gutan ing arapan tamo king biye. Po. Ing akakit tayong Ginoo. Siguro ita ing metong dapat imatimid tamo king sarili tamo. Let us focus on the Lord. Po. Lawen niya po ing mumunang pamamasa. Po. Sabi ng Pedro, lawen mo kami. Ining tao anyang lalo no di Pedro, ing isipa na di nandeng limus. Pero yung sinabi ng Pedro, itang atin mi yung ibiyemi keka. At yung sinabi na king lagyo ng Jesus, talakad ka. Ing kutang, at suyo kay katamo yung Ginoo. Balo yun yung kaya mawawala yung Ginoo kay katamo because we are so focused with so many different things. And especially, most of us are focused on the past. Lawen nyo rin yung adwang alagad kening kikatamong ibanghelyo. Ing pipagkwentuan da, ing karelang sasabian at piyagwanda, yapin niya itang menga palyari, karing milabas. Sometimes, most of us cannot actually move on from their past. Alang patugot, pidaladala tamo, ing milabas tamo. Alang patugot, detang sakit, adenasan tamo, po. Alang patugot talang babyayan, sa sariwan, po. Ring sugat tamo. Alaya pong keliwayan, king meto nga sugat, alang patugot kukutkutan mo ng kukutkutan. Eya kapilan man, maghilom, hanggat eme paboren. Until you let go of it. Anya, yaning metong karing sasabyana. Focus rather on the Lord. Because the Lord is doing great things. Dakalya gagawa ni nga pong Ginoo. Anyapin dining adwa, da manikit ita. Paluyo, ing sayang yapin nini. They were already with Him and they could not recognize Him. When they recognize Him, He already vanished. Buta makanyan muna maning malalyari kay katamo. Nano, at suni nga pong Ginoo, gagawa ning dakal agrasya ing Ginoo kay katamo, tayo pakakakit. Bakit? Kasi masyado tamong focus king milabas. Masyado tamong focus karing emotions tamo. Masyado tamong focus king sarili tamo. Tayo akakiting Ginoo. Let our focus be rather on the Lord. Let us be sensitive. Sabi na naman ning Psalms, the Lord is close to the broken-hearted. Malapit ya kanong Ginoo, karetang may nasakit, karetang impusuda, bala mo may durog ya. Anya, potang malungkot ka, potang alakang pag-asa. When you're close to despair, it is there that you need to be more sensitive to the Lord. Believing that the Lord will come. Lawen niyo po, may kiyagnan niya nga pong Ginoo, anyang malungkot la. Anya, itayong panagkat mumunan dili kay katamo. Let us be convinced, my dear friends, of what the Psalm says. Ingyatu mitmuya king ganaka ning Ginoo. Agyang potang malungkot ko, agyang potang sawi ko, agyang potang madidepress ko, dapat sabihan ko, ingyatu mitmuya king ganaka ning Ginoo. Uling balo ko, datangan at datanganak ko ni nga pong Ginoo. Kadwa pong bagi, pwede tamong kwanan king katamong ibanghelyo. Nano po? Sana po tang dadalumdum niya in katamong biye. when we are enveloped by darkness, let us invite the Lord to come in. Sabi da rin ng adwang alagad, agyang anyang ede pa akakilala. Salangi nakapamu, kaya bemi, uling dalumdum na. Sana'y tamo naman ng sabihan tamo king Gino. Potang itamo madalumdum na ing ega-na-gana because of our despair, disappointments, of the many things that happen in our life. Easter is knowing that in spite of the darkness, there is light. Eya mo po, ing Easter, eya mo po kabud salayangan. Ali, atin yang dalumdum, atin yang empty tomb which is always a dark place. And yet, we know that He does not remain in the dark. If we let Christ enter, if we invite the Lord to come to us, the Lord will bring light. The Lord will bring joy. Nyapin po, sasabihan tamo, we are the children of Easter morning. The morning that even when darkness comes, we will await because we are sure that it will always come again. Na po sasabihan ng Easter alang lungkot. Na po sasabihan alang dalumdum. At syungan yan. Pero yung sasabihan tamo, yan mo naman lumipas. Uling datang at datang ya. Ing Ginu amagdalang sala ampong tula. That is our Easter hope. That is what we proclaim when we say, Easter is the everlasting Passover of God. That we will always pass over with Him from darkness to light, from sadness to joy. No? Iniing panagkat kaya katamo. Kaya ba't katlo at katatalyan kaluguran kong kapatid, sana we always find solace in the breaking of bread. When everything is bleak, when we cannot even feel the love of God for us, let the Eucharist always remind you that He is always accessible, that the Lord is always present when we break our bread. Nayapin po, ita ing metong sanang akakita mo. Ing radyo, ning kakatamong arkidiocese, pag maragul na, anyang pandemya, kantata mo migumpisa, karening kakatamong misa. At uli na nita, sasabihan tamo, at we proclaim that we always will want to have Him with us, especially in moments of darkness. In moments when we do not know what will happen. Ring aliwa, anyang libutad na ning pandemya, they were already proclaiming the end of all. Mga mateta na kanyan nga da. At luta na po magat luta ng banwa kanyan. King pandemyang iti, lugod ni nga pong ginuwag yang makamasta mo, makapangisnawa tapa. Po. Anya, siguro itay meto nga bagay, akita mo. In spite of all of this, in spite of the pandemic, people continue to have their hearts broken. People continue to work. People continue to try to survive. And yet, we are saying, in the midst of all of this, we see the Lord break His bread. And hopefully, when bread is broken, we always recognize Him and say, He is the Lord.